Welcome to an expert analysis of Kaynes Technology's quarterly results, focusing on mastering the financial outcomes as of May 13, 2026. Please note this important disclaimer. I am not a registered financial analyst. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. Kaynes Technology is a leading electronic system design and manufacturing company with a significant presence in aerospace, defense, and industrial sectors. They are also implementing strategic OSAT and PCB facilities. Consolidated revenue from operations has shown strong growth, jumping by approximately 33% year-over-year. Revenue increased from 27,217 million rupees in FY 2025 to 36,263 million rupees in FY 2026. Consolidated profit after tax, or PAT, for FY 2026 reached 3,638.9 million rupees. This is an increase from the 2,934 million rupees reported in FY 2025. An exceptional item in the results is the labor code impact. This is a non-recurring consolidated charge of 25.76 million rupees due to the implementation of new labor codes concerning Social Security and wages. Reviewing borrowings and liabilities, non-current borrowings increased significantly from 674.80 million rupees in 2025 to 3,369.98 million rupees in 2026. Short-term borrowings also saw a slight decrease. In inventory and working capital, inventory rose to 11,032 million rupees in 2026 from 8,144 million rupees in 2025. There was also a massive jump in trade receivables, increasing to 15,276 million rupees. The brutal truth reveals a negative operating cash flow of minus 6,004.04 million rupees. Despite generating profit, operations consumed substantial cash. In leadership and governance, Dr. Annadurai Milswamy, the Moonman of India, was appointed as an independent director, and Mr. Rajesh Balkrishna Mittal joined as an additional director. In summary, the positives include strong revenue growth, a high-profile board, and strategic expansion. Negatives are the negative operating cash flow, the jump in trade receivables, and increasing long-term debt. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Our goal is to empower you to make your own informed investment decisions.